Today, we will take a look at 30 business ideas in the tech industry that have the potential to make you millions over time. Here, we've mentioned modern sources for business as well as some basic ones that have proved themselves over time. People think that tech needs to be all flashy and innovative, but here's the truth. Any business, offline or online, needs an idea, but more than that, it needs execution. So here are 30 tech businesses that you can start this year. Hello and welcome to Luxus. Number 1. AI entrepreneur. It is a field of huge potential and immense opportunities, and if you have considerable knowledge about AI, you can initiate an AI business. You can choose a small part of it and make progress on it. The future is all about AI, and so it is one of the best future technology business ideas to make profits. Number 2. Online school. The world is moving rapidly as technology is developing. Even schools and educational institutions have started imparting education online for distant learners. So starting an online school could be a very lucrative idea. You can hire a few teachers to start small and focus on quality teaching, which in turn will attract quantity. Number 3. Big Data Analytics Service. Big data is another buzzword that has spread across the tech industry these days. With the huge amount of data available, many corporate companies are finding it difficult to have a summary, which is the reason that many corporates seek data analyst services that can simplify assets out of large chunks of data. This service has proven to be successful for many businesses. Such service would help for better product selection and boost the sales of the company. Number 4. Tech blog. If you are an expert in any particular technical field, you can start writing blogs for it. For example, if you have in-depth knowledge about the features of the mobile, its value for money, and other pros and cons, you can start writing blogs about the mobile models of various companies. Believe me, if you can attract good readers, you can earn a good income from it. Number 5. Computer training. The world today is living at the mercy of computers. The major part of the work in offices is done through this machine. So if you are quite savvy with it, you can open your computer training center. Here, you may train children and adults on a particular software or just teach basic computer operations. This is an evergreen tech-related business idea to start anywhere on the planet. Number 6. Blog consulting. If you are an expert in blogging and find fellow bloggers seeking your advice and tips on blogging, you can offer blog consulting services. In this business, you can farm out writing and other blog-related projects to third parties and focus on just managing them. Number 7. Web designer. This business is always in demand as almost every company needs creative hands who can make an attractive website. If you are good at graphic designing, interface design, copywriting, UX design, you can surely rely on these skills and opt for web designing as your career. This business has immense opportunities and it has generated around $38 billion in the last year. Number 8. Computer repair and management. Nowadays, almost every industry from all the sectors use computers, and they are subject to get damaged quite often. So, if you have a technical background, you can provide services to operating systems while supporting all major platforms. Number 9. Social media consulting. Big and reputed brands often hire social media consultants who may help them to promote their products on social media sites. If you are a social media expert, you can choose to become a social media consultant and gain a contract from a few companies. This is the best technology-related business idea that focuses on the brand building of companies, especially startups. Number 10. Device for car tracking. Many people are getting the device for car tracking installed in their cars or vehicles. You can come up with a business in which you can install a car tracker as well as provide the services for repairing it. Fleet operators and people dealing with public transport especially use them to track and manage all their vehicles. Number 11. Create a chatbot. There is a big market for chatbots or IM robots today. It is a computer program that can chat and communicate with people online. Several websites and applications require chatbots. Thus, creating a chatbot is relatively a profit-earning business. Number 12. Streaming services for videos. People spend hours daily watching video content. All content, be it entertainment, education, or beauty, receive millions of views. So if you have any such talent, you can opt to start a streaming service. Number 13. Mobile app for shopping. Today, we don't want people to step up to the shops for their needs and luxuries. They just want to sit in their cozy arenas and do online shopping. If you possess considerable knowledge about creating an app, it could help you in creating an online shopping app. All you need to do is get a few retailers who would sell their products on your application. Number 14. Set up an e-library. With the onset of technology, everything is done online. People have been fond of reading books for ages, so why not read books online? You can set up an e-library with people from all around the globe who would visit your website, rent, download, or buy ebooks. Number 15. Run an internet cafe. Internet cafes are pooling a large number of individuals every day. A place with free Wi-Fi and coffee is highly preferred by people like freelancers. You can start with a small place with a calm environment and speedy Wi-Fi. Number 16. Software developer. If you can make user-friendly and alluring software, then becoming a software developer could prove to be a very profitable business. You can make software for small and medium enterprises. You can take a few contracts from different companies and firms and then scale them to hire developers that will work for you. Number 17. SEO consultant. SEO means search engine optimization. Publishers and businesses online want their website or webpage to appear on the first page of the search engine, so the companies hire SEO consultants to help them do the task. Number 18. Creating a social media networking site. If you possess good skills, then you can create your own social media networking site. You can enhance your site with a few creative and new ideas. You never know when your site could be as famous as Instagram or Facebook, so this is a highly profitable and long-term business idea. Number 19. UX testing or design. If you are quite good at coding, UX writing, and user empathy, then you can choose to become a UX designer. Acquiring and integrating the product, including branding aspects, usability, and function are involved in this business. Number 20. 3D printing. If you are looking for a small-scale technical business idea to start, you can check the 3D printing business. In today's fast-growing world, not only 2D documents, but 3D documents can also be printed. Getting a 3D printer isn't enough for starting this business. You also require a few other skills such as 3D graphic designing, engineering skills, software skills, etc. If they are embedded in you, you can start your 3D printing service firm effectively. 21. Podcasting platform. Podcasts are audio files available on the internet. The popularity of podcasts is increasing than ever before. Still, there is a lot of unexplored space in this field, so coming up with an interesting podcasting platform can prove to be highly lucrative. Number 22. Creating a live chat platform. Today, many websites provide the facility of live chat platforms on their websites for their clients so they can communicate with them directly in real time. It is very useful in getting their customer feedback and improving sales if you have the technical know-how of this. Number 23. Renting of gadgets. People often want to try out a few things before buying them, or they just need gadgets for a one-time use for a project or an occasion. This means that they would like to rent the gadgets so that they would not need to pay the full price. You can buy a few gadgets and put them on rent. A few examples of such gadgets are a projector for a presentation, a drone for aerial photos, Fitbits, phones, gaming systems, etc. This idea involves a bit of investment along with market research as to what people want to rent. It is one of the new innovative business ideas that are emerging now. Number 24. Services in cloud computing. Traditionally, information or data was stored in physical servers, hard disks, or desktops. But now, with businesses and organizations getting global, many people want their files or data to be accessible to different places at the same time. Cloud computing is a very popular area of technology where information is stored on the web. You can provide services of cloud computing to your clients. This is one of the top future technology business ideas to start today. Number 25. Selling refurbished phones. This may sound old-fashioned, but every individual has a mobile phone today. But not everyone can pay the top price for the latest smartphone. So, there is a huge market for refurbished phones. You can get used phones on eBay, refurbish them, and sell them at a lower price on Amazon. Number 26. Repairing smartphones. If you possess the necessary skills to repair smartphones, it could be one of the most profitable ventures. Mobiles and smartphones have become one of the necessities of people after food, clothes, and shelter. Smartphones are so delicate that they are subject to wear and tear in daily life. People would be much happier to pay the repair prices instead of replacing it. Number 27. Start a shop for all tech. If you are tech-savvy in the entire range of technology-related products, you can set up a retail businesses for all things tech. It could be for repairing, selling, refurbishing, or a collection of all. You can create a one-stop shop for people who are looking to buy or get their technical products repaired. Number 28. Create an online services website. People nowadays don't want to run here and there for each and every small thing. It could be for plumber services, electrical repairs, or getting certificates from government offices. These activities are time-consuming and really painful. One can create such a list of services on an online website and change necessary fees. Number 29. Conduct online research. Conducting research online is a skill. A lot of companies hire people to conduct online research and collect necessary data for them. You can take on this business and create good profits out of it. Number 30. Set up computers. Sometimes people know how to run a computer, but they do not want to take the hassle of bringing the computer in the usable state from its packing, like installing desired software, putting it in an operating condition. You can perform this task for them, and they will pay for it. That's it. Work on your skills and execute those ideas. Research on what the gaps are in the technology today that you can fill up, or simply what service of the above is not available in your area, and if you can provide it to them, it can grant you a successful start. Keep consumers before yourself and you see your business growing. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If so, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Luxus if you aren't already, and we'll see you in the next one.